What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to do a little video. So in the middle is the R160, and then the left and right is the R179. So I went to the Transit Museum and got the R179s. So, and then I realized that I had an R160 at home. And then, I noticed that they were the same. And then, I was like, forget it. I'll just get it. And then, when I came home to unbox it, I noticed that the R160, it had the express sign. But then, when I looked at the R179, it said local. And I was like, but that's new. Okay. And then, yeah, and the other one too says the same. I know they're the same, but it has a different sign. So, that's all I wanted to say. Same sides, see? Same thing in the back. And the same thing on the other side. So yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to show you guys today. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.